Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to take apart the Taurus TCP for cleaning. It's a little 380 pistol by Taurus. First thing you want to do, make sure to take out your magazine. Next, you want to lock the slide back. So grab it here and then just push up on this little lever here. That groove. Check your chamber, make sure there's no ammunition in there. Once it's locked back, you can take this pin out to disassemble the pistol. Okay. Then you can release the slide, and sometimes it's a little difficult to pull it off. You can tap it a little bit, and the slide comes off. Next, take off your recoil spring here. It's a double spring. It's not captured. You'll see there's a small spring and a big spring. Take that off. And take your barrel and just do a little cleaning. Make sure all the little crevices clean. Clean your chamber, clean your barrel. I'm using the G96. You can spray a little bit on there, let it soak. Take a little toothbrush or something. If you have some areas, you can take a pick. I like to, here's your hammer. You can release that hammer. Check, make sure that's functioning properly. Just don't let it slam forward. Put your finger on there to catch the hammer. Check your magazine release. I want to put a little hole on there. Make sure your firing pin is free, and that hole right there is clean. And you might want to get behind your extractor. If you've been firing a lot, get behind your extractor with a little, that pick I had earlier. You can get in there. If there's any cord built up in there. And then reassemble after you're done cleaning. You want to check, another thing you want to check is this hole here. The pin sits in. Make sure that hole's not getting baggy on it. I know Taurus had a problem with those. The pin beating out of them. It's really difficult to get the spin back in there. So if you reassemble your pistol and then you put your slide on, and then you want to put that pin in there, you'll never get it in. So the best thing to do is, while it's apart, put your pin in there partially. You can see that little spring wire? It sticks up a little high, so it's hard to get the pin back in. You want to take your pin on an angle like this and kind of push down on that wire a little bit. See how the pin is in there, but it's not sticking too far over. Just put it in there flush like that. You'll never get that pin in otherwise. And then put your barrel back in. Put your recoil spring guy rod in there. Then slide it back on. So put your slide back on, and you may have a little trouble putting the slide back on. If you have any trouble, push down on the barrel while you're sliding, pushing your slide back. See how the barrel's pivoting down? Sometimes it'll get a little stuck. You might just have to push it down a little bit and pull it back and lock it back. Push your pin in, which is sometimes really difficult because that tap it in with something soft. There you go. You're reassembled. Make sure you're empty. Function check it. You're good to go.